Has anyone ever revealed to you the secret of turning this old Nokia phone into an extremely useful recycled antenna? Watch how I do it. Keep close track of the connection points between the battery and the phone, as these are crucial spots for soldering additional wires later. To avoid any mix-ups, I will mark the positive and negative terminals in advance. Right at the marked spot, I will apply a bit of solder to make attaching the wires easier later on. It looks like the solder joints at the marked spots have dried, so I will go ahead and connect the wires. To make it easily distinguishable to the naked eye, I will attach the blue wire to the negative terminal and the red wire to the positive terminal. As you can see, I have securely soldered the two wires to the charger module. To route the wires out of the phone, I will drill a small hole in the back cover. So a small antenna assembly is now complete. In the next step, I will secure it to the antenna base. This is a sturdy wooden board, and I will secure all the key components onto it using hot glue. Unless I pointed out, few people would know about this three-way splitter. It is very convenient for connecting two wire ends into a single port, helping combine the signal waves received from two directions into one source. Of course, the coaxial cable is an indispensable part of a recycled antenna, as it determines whether the signal is transmitted from the antenna to the TV quickly and stably. This component is crucial and hard to scavenge from scrapyards, so buying a new one is best to ensure output quality. And as you can see, I am preparing one end of the cable to connect it to the remaining port on the splitter. This is a straight F connector, a crucial part for joining the end of the coaxial cable to the connector port on the splitter. With the other end of this cable, I will process it in the exact same way. On the end connected to the TV, besides attaching a straight F connector, I also installed an angle connector. So everything is now complete, and I will take this antenna assembly outside for a real-world test right away. Before connecting this recycled antenna device to the TV, I want to check first so you can clearly see that at this moment, the television is not receiving any signal at all. Just a few seconds after making the connection, the picture has already appeared on the screen. But we won't jump to conclusions yet. Let's keep testing for a while longer to see whether the signal remains stable or not. Even though the signal still seems stable so far and nothing unusual has happened yet, to test it more carefully, I'm going to disconnect it and plug it back in once again to see what happens. still as good as ever with absolute visual clarity. It is truly amazing to see the hidden potential of an old Nokia phone brought back to life. When paired with the versatile signal splitter, the signals received from both directions are completely merged and transmitted smoothly through the coaxial cable straight to the TV screen without any hassle. Using simple recycled materials that seemed useless, we have built a remarkably useful and powerful reception device. If you have an old phone sitting forgotten in a drawer, don't throw it away just yet. Give this project a try today and enjoy the amazing results.